Let's see some aromatic carboxylic acids. The simplest one is benzoic acid. This is called benzoic acid. This is benzoic acid. Carboxyl group is attached to the benzene ring. That is called benzoic acid. Then if a methyl group is attached to the benzene ring and a COH group is there, since COH group is attached to this carbon atom, and this carbon atom should be the first carbon atom and this should be the second one. So the name is 2-methyl benzoic acid. It is 2-methyl benzoic acid. Then comes, if it is OH group attached. So if it is an OH group, since this has to be given the first priority. So first carbon is there, then second carbon is this, and it is named as 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. It is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Second position, hydroxyl group ulla benzoic acid aanu 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Then if there is a nitro group, numbering is 1, 2, 3. So it is 3-nitro benzoic acid. It is 3-nitro benzoic acid. Then if there is an amino group is attached, NH2 group is attached, now it is named as 2-amino benzoic acid. It is 2-amino benzoic acid. Then the next one is bromine is attached. So if bromine is attached, so this is the first position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So bromine is attached in the second, fourth and sixth position. So it is named as 2, 4, 6 tribromo benzoic acid. So these are some examples of aromatic carboxylic acid. Let's see some in-text questions. So first question in the textbook is, so this is the question. So pH represents, it is phenyl. So we can write it like this also. So here it is named as, this is the first carbon, then 1, 2 and 3. So third positioning phenyl group ulla acid. Third positioning phenyl group ulla acid. So how to name this? So 3-phenyl. How many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. So it is propane. So 3-phenyl is replaced by OIC acid. It is 3-phenyl propanoic acid. Then the second question is, CH3 twice C double bond CH. So this is the question. So the question നമുക്ക് വേറെ രീതിയിൽ എഴുതാം. CH3 C double bond C HCOH. So number ചെയ്യാം. Number ചെയ്യുന്നത് first, second, third, fourth. 4 carbon atoms ഉള്ള ഒരു 4 carbon atoms ആണ് parent alkene നാത്തുള്ളത്. Then third position is substituent. Third position is substituent carboxylic acid. So how to name this? So first of all we have to write the substituent. So it is 3-methyl. Then what is the word root? Word root, 4 carbon atoms are there, so it is but. So we cannot say it is butanoic acid, it is anione. There is an ene there, it's a double bond there. Double bond is in the second position. It is in the second position. So it is but2en, then oic acid. So this is how it is named. Then third one is okay, this is the third question. So this is a derivative of cyclopentane. It's a cyclopentane group is there. So first carbon is here, then second position is this, and this is 2-methyl cyclopentane carboxylic acid. So this is named as 2-methyl cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Then the fourth question is this is the fourth question, and again this is the first position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2, 4, 6. So second, third, fourth and sixth position. Our mono position is nitro group or benzoic acid. So it is 2, 4, 6 trinitro benzoic acid. 2, 4, 6 trinitro benzoic acid. So first case pH and it is phenyl group. Phenyl group only C6H5 naga allengil pH naga allengil benzene ring valichitaga. Edu kandalu same aanu. Appo ingane onnu ezhuthi nokkiya it will be easy for you to name this. Then second one is this. Here there is a double bond. So double bond in importance undu. Double bond in importance koduthu venam pere ezhudan. So ee compound condensed condensed form aanu. Appo condensed form ine onnu detailed structure aaki ingane ezhudiyadinu shesham number cheyidal it will be easy for you. Then third one is an alicyclic compound. It's an alicyclic compound. Cyclopentane derivative aanu. So cyclopentane derivative ine methyl group ഒരു substituent ആയിട്ടുള്ള cyclopentane carboxylic acid ആണ്. So it is 2-methyl cyclopentane carboxylic acid. And fourth one is it's a benzoic acid derivative. Benzoic acid derivative ആണ്. Benzoic acid ൽ തന്നെ 3 nitro group ഉള്ള ഒരു derivative. So it is that is in the second, fourth and sixth position. So it is 2,4,6 trinitro benzoic acid. This is how it is named. Hope you have understood how to name carboxylic acids.